Hey, hey, thanks for stopping by today. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope yours is off to a great start. Let me tell you a little about mine. So, what started out as a simple shoe project ended up being a whole closet reorganization. I mean, we removed clothes, shoes, and even jewelry. So, come along and see some solutions we put in place to get our closet organized and ready for a new year. Let's go. First of all, I blame all of this work on Pinterest. Because when I saw these shoe solutions, I thought, wow, those look so neat compared to all the boxes we have stacked up. Now, my handy hubby advised that he didn't want his shoes in boxes at all, so this got my wheels to turning. So I drew up a quick plan and I got over to Walmart to look through some options. I picked up just a few items from Walmart and I rounded out my shopping on Amazon, of course. Once we finally got everything out of the closet, we gave it a good cleaning. We got busy the weekend our goodies arrived. This ended up being a 3 day project. Our first day was spent putting all of the organizers together and placing them in the closet. Now, we were really impressed with the look and feel of these shoe boxes. We set up an assembly line and we got 24 of them put together in about 20 minutes or so. It was really easy because they essentially just snapped into place. Now we snapped the boxes 3 to 4 high just to make sure I could reach them. Now, after that, we put all of the other pieces into place. As you know, I like to divide our spaces into zones as it helps to organize in a structured way. Now, all of the shoe shelves will hold my handy hubby shoes, and these lucite hooks will house all of my costume necklaces. These shoe boxes came from Walmart, and I will put them on the left side of the closet since they will be for shoes that I don't wear often. Now, my goal is to eventually remove all of the old plastic hangers we get from various stores and replace them with my favorite wooden hangers from IKEA. We also like these plastic overlays for hanging sweaters. I created only 3 zones for this closet, which is for shoes, hanging, and baskets. Since we don't have traditional dressers, I'll put baskets in the cube organizer and in the built-in shelving to serve the same purpose. On day 2, we came in hot. We worked on finalizing the layout and sorting all of our clothes and shoes. Now we picked up a skinny canvas organizer from Target to match the wider ones we already had. It came with these S hooks. Not sure of what I will do with them yet, but I'll try to make use of them somehow. Now that we have all of the organizers in place, you can see the gist of how we zone the space. Now we're on to the sorting, and I'm telling you, this is the part I definitely dreaded the most. When I tell you we went through every article of clothing and shoes, I mean it. We set up a donation, trash, and keep pile, and we just got to work. These baskets came from Amazon. I like the look, but they are not as structured as I would like, but everything did fit nicely, so we're just gonna roll with them. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was 2 baskets short, so I went to Walmart, picked up 2 more, and just made it work. As I went through the clothes I planned to keep, I divided them by summer and winter. Then I further separated them into church, office, and casual attire. I also switched out those plastic hangers at this point. I simply repeated the same process with my pants. I took out all of the plastic hangers, put in the wooden ones, and kept it moving. And we have made it to the final day of this organization project, so we kicked off the day sorting our shoes. I had such a blast with these shoe boxes, I can't even tell you. I no longer have to worry about the mess of boxes we had piled up before. It just feels awesome. I did not fill the boxes entirely because I always want to have room to grow. So we'll see what shoes I'll end up wearing often. If not, I may move them to the other side of the closet. But for now, this is what I have, and I think it's going to work great. No, I definitely don't wear boots often in this hot part of Texas, but my mom gave me these clips a long time ago, and I would normally use them for my belts, but since I'm getting rid of boxes, I'm going to put them to proper use now. I'm also going to try out these S hooks to hang my bags and see how they work for me. Next, I got to work on my pile of tangled jewelry. Now, this took me a while, so I think I'm just going to circle back to the results. Then we went on to fill in the hanging wardrobe. I decided to put all of my workout gear in my sections. We tidied up a bit, and it was a wrap on another makeover. So let's take a quick peek back at the before. And here is the after. This closet was a lot of work, but you know what? It was well worth it. It felt so good to get rid of old stuff we should have gotten rid of long ago. The space feels good and it looks good now. Adding baskets to the shelving was such a nice touch, and we still have room to grow, which is always good. We are so happy with this reorganization overall, and I hope you found this video helpful in providing ideas for organizing your own space. I am looking forward to growing in this new year, and I plan to tackle our pantry next, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks as always for supporting my small channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you catch me next time.